How to update a plot in matplotlib. I'm having issues with redrawing the figure here. I allow the user to specify the units in the time scale, x-axis, and then I recalculate and call this function plots. I want the plot to simply update, not append another plot to the figure.
You essentially have two options. Do exactly what you're currently doing, but call graph1.clear and graph2.clear before replotting the data. This is the slowest, but most simplest and most robust option. Instead of replotting, you can just update the data of the plot objects. You'll need to make some changes in your code, but this should be much faster than replotting things every time. However, the shape of the data that you're plotting can't change, and if the range of your data is changing, you'll need to manually reset the x and y axis limits. To give an example of the second option,
you can also do like the following. This will draw a 10 by 1 random matrix data on the plot for 50 cycles of the for loop.
This worked for me.
This worked for me. Repeatedly calls a function updating the graph every time. Fun is a function that returns an integer. Func animation will repeatedly call update. It will do that max times.